Good afternoon, my name is Cesar. Out with my team, who are Jared Andre, Alejandro Garcia, Axel Aleman, and Emiliano Enriquez, we're going to talk about the climate change.
The most efficient tool to combat climate change is you. Climate change is a term that we hear and read often in the news and the newspaper. We also use it in our classes or casual conversation with our friends. The term, however, was not widely used, not even recognized, until the last 3 decades of 20th century. But what is climate change? Who is affected by it? And who causes it?
What is climate change? The term climate refers to the general weather conditions of a place over many years. Take for example the case of Maine in the United States. Its climate is cold and snowy, while South Florida is tropical year-round. On the other hand, climate change refers to the significant variation of average weather conditions becoming warmer, wetter, or drier over several decades or more. That longer-term trend is what differentiates climate change from a natural weather variability. And while climate change and global warming are often used interchangeably, global warming refers to the recent rise in the global average temperature near the Earth's surface, and it is just one aspect of climate change. Climate change as a phenomenon caused by human activity has been widely contested. However, in 2001, the Tier Assessment Report in the Intergovernmental Panel of Climate Change (IPCC) highlighted the evidence provided by observations of physical and biological systems that showed that regions change in climate. Specifically, increases of temperature were affecting different systems and in different parts of the globe. In short, the report pointed out that numerous evidences of the existence of climate change and the impacts derived from it accumulating. On average, in the 20th century, the temperature rose by about 0.6 degrees Celsius, while the sea level rose from 10 to 12 centimeters. Researchers believe that this is due to the expansion of oceans, which are increasingly warmer.
My name is Emiliano, and I will talk about who is affected by climate change. Climate change affects all of us. The potential impact is huge, with predictions of a lack of clean water, large change in conditions for food production, and increasing death rates due to floods, storms, droughts, and heat waves. Ultimately, climate change is not only environment phenomenon, but one with profound economic and social consequences. The poorest countries, which are least prepared to deal with rapid change, will suffer the worst consequences. The extinctions of animals and plants is predicted, as habitats will change so fast that many species will not be able to adapt in time. The World Health Organization has warned that the health of millions of people could be threatened by increased malaria, malnutrition, and waterborne diseases.
But what causes climate change? The mechanics of the Earth's climate system are simple. When energy from the sun is reflected off the Earth and back into space, mostly by clouds and ice, or when the Earth's atmosphere releases energy, the planet cools. When the Earth absorbs the sun energy, or when atmospheric gases prevent heat released by the Earth from radiating into space, the greenhouse effect. The planet warms. A variety of factors, both natural and human, can influence the Earth's climate system. In conclusion, if we didn't do anything to reduce the temperatures of the planet, this would cause many damage in the future. For example, the poles would thaw faster, causing the sea level to rise and drown many cities. In addition, it could increase the frequency of some natural disasters. Many species could not adapt. to the increase in temperatures and become extinct, and there will be many variations in the climate, which will cause there to be many natural disasters, and this will affect humanity. It's a responsibility to take care about the earth because it's the place where all of us live. In the end, as human beings, we need to take responsibility for all the damage that has been done to it. We need to recognize that we have been abusing its natural resources and producing too much pollution through the industrialization. Thank you, and we hope that this information serves to you.